So, back in Muswell Hill, tether down in Fortis Green in Muswell Hill. And I lived here 40 years ago. And 40 years ago today, I'd have been in that house in the back, just finishing, or just having finished, my BA Honours thesis. And to come back is quite strange. It was a weird layout, because you had to go through that house, that door, and through her flat to get to our flat. 40 years ago, Muswell Hill, I've not been, and Muswell Hill is home of the kinks. Very, very trendy in that market, as you can see from our squat of a flat. It doesn't look like it's had any repairs or anything done to it since 1983. But it's nice to see it again. And I'll be honest, what 40 years it's been, what a lovely, lucky life I've had. Very privileged.